Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Auth0 Universal Login in a React app. Complete guide step by step. To activate Auth0 Universal Login in a React app, start by creating an Auth0 account if you don't have one. Log in to your Auth0 dashboard. Navigate to the Applications section. Click on Create Application. Choose a name for your application. Select Single Page Application and click Create. Once created, you will see your application settings. Take note of your domain and client ID, as you will use these later. Next, proceed to the Settings tab. Scroll down to the Application Login URI field. Add the URL where your React app will be hosted. If you're developing locally, you might use http://localhost 3000. Set the allowed callback URLs with the same value. You can also set allowed logout URLs to the same address. Make sure to save your changes. Now, open your React app in your preferred code editor. Install the Auth0 React SDK by running npm install at auth0/auth0 react. Import the Auth0 provider from the SDK in your index.js file. Wrap your application in the Auth0 provider component. Use the domain and client ID from your Auth0 application settings. Once set up, you can create a login button in your component. Import the use Auth0 hook from the SDK. Call the login with redirect function when the button is clicked. You can also create a logout button using the logout function from the use Auth0 hook. To access user information, call the user object from the use Auth0 hook. You can display user information conditionally based on whether the user is logged in. Test your application by running it locally. Make sure the login and logout functionality works as expected. And that's it. Your React app should now be integrated with Auth0 Universal Login. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.